What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not currently pushing out crypto content and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap the sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, obviously Vechain has actually broken down out of this channel that we have been highlighting recently. And it does seem as though this is obviously by and large due to the wider market having a lot of downwards momentum in the past few days. Obviously, basically China have kicked out most of their Bitcoin miners, which means the hash rate for Bitcoin has been going down, which has basically been causing the price to go down as well. We probably think that a large amount of the miners have been selling their Bitcoin so that they can use the funds to basically move their operations elsewhere, which makes total sense. So obviously there's a lot of price suppression going on at the minute in terms of a lot of people selling their bags that are miners in order to do this. They have been essentially trying to move to other places like Texas and other constituencies in the world where they can mine Bitcoin. So there's been a lot of downwards price action for Bitcoin as a result. And it does look as though Vechain is obviously paying the price as well for the wider correction in the market. As we can see, it is approaching extremely oversold territory. It's currently trading at around 9 cents here. I mean, which is an absolute steal in our opinion for the future, not financial advice, of course. But it does seem as though it's approaching extremely oversold territory. What is this here? This is my RSI, right? There's like these big gaps in my chart sometimes, and I'm just like, what is going on? But yeah, as you can see, there's been a lot of volume to the downside, basically in the past day or so. With Bitcoin continuing to roll over, we have been seeing this A, B, C roll over to the downside for Vechain. As we said, we were getting this A, B, C, D move to the upside, which was looking good. But we were struggling to get back above our EMAs here. As you can see, we flipped bearish on the 4 hour, and since then, we've actually been slowly getting pushed down by not being able to get back above our EMAs. Been retesting the 50 here, but couldn't break up meaningfully, and so it led to us rolling over out of the channel. And we're currently finding ourselves basically retesting support here at around this 9 cent level. But we did say in yesterday's video, if we do see Bitcoin continuing to roll over, we will be seeing Vechain coming back down, retesting this 9 cent level, maybe even this 8 or even these 7 cent levels here. So this is obviously what we're seeing right now. But we would just like to point out, it does look as though Vechain is getting extremely oversold right now, as we can quite clearly see here on the chart. On the RSI here, it does look as though we're getting quite oversold, and it does look as though there is potential for a bullish divergence here. As you can see, we are potentially making higher lows on our RSI, but we're actually making lower lows on our chart. And what this means is, whilst the price action is continuing downwards, the momentum of the price action is actually decreasing. So we could be looking at a reversal quite soon for Vechain. And this is something we've seen for pretty much all cryptos today. They're getting very oversold and overextended to the downside. And usually what happens when this happens, as you can see, here, let's have a look here as well, here as well. Basically every single time that we got super oversold on our RSI here, as you can see, we do get a bounce to the upside. And considering how oversold we're looking here, I wouldn't be surprised if we get at least a bounce back up to around the 10 cent level here basically in the next day or so, considering how oversold Vechain is becoming. Obviously anything can happen in crypto, and if Bitcoin dumps below 30k, we're probably going to see a massive bleed for pretty much all of the altcoins that we're basically taking a look at. So if we do see Bitcoin continue to roll over, we are anticipating that we're probably going to see Vechain coming back down into this 6 to 7 cent range at least. But from what we can tell, it does look as though Bitcoin is going to reverse quite soon. It's very overextended to the downside, and considering how bullish it has been in the past week, the bulls are out there. They're just getting currently smashed down by the bears, and everyone's spot selling their bags, probably these miners and stuff, basically trying to recoup some money to move their operations elsewhere. So a lot of FUD and uncertainty in the market. We're still ranging between 31k and 42k for Bitcoin. And we're back below a historical resistance we've been under for the past month for Bitcoin as well. So we're currently bouncing around in those sorts of levels. But we wouldn't be surprised if we saw a reversal quite soon for Vechain. especially considering how much Vechain is actually offering in terms of quality. Its fundamentals haven't changed. It's still the same crypto that it was when it was at 28 cents here. It's just the sentiment in the market. And sooner or later, the market is going to reverse. And when that happens, we are anticipating that Vechain is going to do extremely well. So if we just take a look at short-term price predictions here, as we said, we do look as though we're probably going to reverse, get a bullish divergence here on our RSI. Even if we just came back to fair value, we probably would be looking at potentially a 10 or 11 cent Vechain at least, basically reversing back into these levels here. And then hopefully, if we can see Bitcoin picking up, we could see Vechain picking up as well. So that would be our short-term price prediction. But then, as we always say, we do think Vechain in the long term, absolutely top quality crypto that's probably going to be worth well over $1 in the next year. Our price prediction by the end of the bull run, which is probably going to be ending in the next, basically in the next 8 or 9 months, depending on when it does get back started. We're currently ranging right now. So, but when we do see Bitcoin breaking back above 42K, in our opinion, we're probably going to be seeing a huge bull run for most cryptos again, with everyone flooding back into the market. I think there's about $100 billion worth of stablecoins sitting on the sidelines right now. So obviously a huge amount of money out there basically waiting to take advantage of what's going to happen in the market. So we do think Vechain in the next year or so, $2 or $3 is definitely possible, which is around a 20 or 30x from the current price. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.